為農業有譜，也幾位熱社大家好愛係部落也愛英文名。跟住俾我分享咗到呢禮拜客家 Windows 季節下從全球之後點樣現狀，呢禮拜主播同咧大家前面文儀式來看當天樣板之下文儀式文還有文化語言嘅推廣。天主節目來到係文儀式電視台，又係短短3集英文是 S4C， 也聽你一強調，強下來探索。Morning. My name is. Thank you so much.
Hello, Julian. Good to meet you, Tim. How are you feeling?
大家係講來到 S4C 電視台地圖嘅書節，體育節樹嗰個轉行是除到幾條用到大膽嘅設計，還有規劃，尤其係用色方面。個人在看到你係體驗下有水風式嘅體驗，然後加下水風式嘅表，你呢度人工可以看到地方所發現，其實有當多是設計是地面嘅電呢。看到你喺度設計，你上落係都對兩種地方嚟上班，進行預期同幸福嘅事情。Hello.
Hello.
羡慕万羡慕，眼前豐富色彩所映湊出優質嘅空間。或許不係你長時唔記得，一開始 S4C 嘅成立，其實真係正是阿比海散文，個完整嘅故事，我從書件來轉到20世紀初。2012算係2002年其中嘅日記，最早嘅歷史記載係到3000年之前是最近存在。歷史上，2012是面臨過200主要嘅威脅，其100威脅平外來嘅，對2018年嘅時間，由法國被迫6萬年入侵英國，造成2012開始變染化老體方法。3年到19世紀嘅時間，2012電動嘅受到了7加年嘅壓迫，造成2012始終嘅因素，從1900年將中英橋嘅日本。下降到20世紀末嘅時間，實雕模量上，日本2012開始感受到事情嘅嚴重性。
To the 19th century, the 1800s, Welsh was not popular at all. And what happened was if you were in school, you were caught, and you'll see this in St Fagans in the museum, if you were caught speaking Welsh, they would put a rope around your neck with a piece of wood on it with the words Welsh not, that is, do not speak Welsh. If you heard a friend speaking Welsh, you'd take it off and put it onto him. At the end of the day, whoever was wearing the Welsh knot rope would be smacked. So obviously people didn't want to speak Welsh.
短短1世紀是本2012使用人口減少了1半以上，本2012感覺到事情的嚴重性。開始愛做2014復興傳統，希望恢復頭擺嘅當中。其中最主要嘅反對20世紀中嘅時間，對2012使用人口最多嘅400戶正式禁跑。2014嘅國想最早就從1960年代開始講，到街下所在兩隻圖書館嘅地方，又係 Everest Way， 有一群大學生啊，佢哋行上街路，用和平嘅方式嚟進行抗議，佢哋難能漂議，而要求嘅係2014應該老人民有強壯嘅地位。
That one is continue. We plan to save the language.
We plan to save the language.
Yes. And then Deddf Iaith Newydd means new cultural, new language policy.
民眾嘅不滿，至今到佢可能無法同嚴肅反映，不過安慰上，總算開始受到重視。其中1982年所成立嘅2012電視台 S4C。每一連串的2012復興傳統，成功地跨出了體育譜。S4C 變做了全世界體育者，用2012來發展嘅共享電視台。
I wneud ein gerddi'n organig ac yn fwy caredig i'r blaned.
Ti'n dysgu drwy gamgymeriadau, a mae'n rhaid ffasiwn bleser i mi.
Gyda Bethan
為咗對佢好了的期待法 ，S4C 都開拓出一些階梯，所有嘅放送內容全部都係委外製作。所以電視台地圖完全都看唔到從入人旁嚟講相關嘅共產認真。 我講 S4C 係隻電視台，響當講記住隻片頭，因為佢所有嘅節目都係外包嘅。其中當主就係來年寫英國嗰隻電視台，包含 ITV Channel 4，當然最大量嘅係來自 BBC。BBC 特禮拜提供 S4C 超過10點鐘嘅節目。Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you for you. You have done for us.
Oh, that's a pleasure.
Yes.
No problem. You've been in touch with Olwen on the phone, yes?
Yes, that's me.
Email?
Yes,
okay,
that's me.
please sit down.
Cheers.
We have a formal relationship now with S4C, which we call a strategic partnership. And the basis of that is that we recognise that S4C's responsibility is to be the Welsh language channel, and it's independent of the BBC. But at the same time, S4C recognise that we have responsibilities in the Welsh language as well. So those responsibilities are ones that we discharge through producing news programmes, we produce current affairs programmes, we produce factual programmes, we produce a daily soap opera called Pobl y Cwm.
Yeah, you've got for the Baileys.
That's right. This country. And there's a similar committee that's been established in
所講嘅唔少會其實係 BBC 預發我提供俾 S4C 嘅節目內容，並唔只有用到 S4C 設計嘅經費，係由 BBC 嘅經費來源，也係民眾所繳嘅電視接觸費當中來寄出。到雙方經過10分之久設計合作嘅關係之後，2008年開始，兩邊嘅關係會變得很難密切。其中最大嘅轉變之一，係 BBC 投入到 S4C 節目嘅製作經費。會從年代嘅新台幣日元3000萬變呢，變做係日元5000萬以上。
What's happening in the past that the BBC was producing that programming for us without S4C having a say on the strategic direction of that programming. What this new strategic partnership allows is for S4C to decide with more decision making as to what type of programming is more suited to the channel.
根據這份2007年針對威尼斯所做嘅統計報告顯示 ，S4C 嘅損失至少提供了2250隻外判嘅工作機會，創造了超過8700萬英鎊，也是新台幣50億元嘅附加產出。從按為經濟貢獻，就是已經冉冉地超過 S4C 嘅節目或者設計製作所做的太多嘅規模。
Ond eto, yn ffigwr cyhoeddus.
I think it's definitely helped the economic status of Welsh in terms of its given value to the language in the workplace. For many jobs in TV, it's a real advantage if you can speak the language. So perhaps for people who go to Welsh schools, they can see the point of learning Welsh and encourages parents to perhaps consider Welsh medium education, even if they don't speak Welsh themselves, because they can see the value of the language.
Fedrwch chi'n gadael i'r holl ymarfer na fynd yn ofer?
Mae gwrdd bod rhywbeth allu wneud. Mae hen amp dy fi, ysgrifennydd.
講到前幾年對威尼斯最有名嘅連續劇《跑步一空》當中扮演這隻角色，可能係一回獻策。但係就透過超過嘅收視率，對威尼斯變做係大家都認識嘅地名人物，佢就係一份做得長久嘅投入。其實呢個所在地方係威尼斯最風嘅連續劇《跑步一空》嘅碰入嘅地點，大家都係看到呢個建築係大家都劇度所看到嘅樣嘅。呢處連續劇到呢個位置已經鋪歷超過30年，也是講超過100嘅威尼斯人全部都看過呢個處連續劇。
Gyda fe gig o feddwl bod ni'n gwybod y gyfrinach chdi. Alli di roi sob stori iddo fe?
威尼斯電視劇在風眼橋經過30年時間，還能按到觀眾好看。其中一年係以當集權當庭民眾嘅身份，同埋呢一度所在會所係呢條電視劇地圖8所在地，你就會發現幾條正經嘅8係強壯。安準是找到風險，是將 S4C 符合觀眾期望嘅連續劇內容強壯，輕輕地做起嚟威尼斯人每天嘅思考。不過稍介到呢下，觀眾朋友可能會質疑，近日 S4C 將其新台幣60億嘅經費，差唔多全部都係來自英國政府，只有少數差唔多3億元嘅收入，也就是廣告同埋節目嘅版權所得。呢條如果樣板嘅位置完全冇受到外地影響嘅超然地位。 尤其幾條放送嘅新聞，中立留客觀兩隻基本嘅價值，越讓辦來確立。我哋從安慰問題，全部認為 S4C 委外製作，越找越嘅改革。所以 S4C 嘅新聞新聞性嘅節目，都係透過 BBC 所提供嘅。係 BBC 嘅經費係直接來自收視府所繳嘅執照費 （license fee），所以掌本 BBC 做得變做全世界公共電視當中最有名嘅電房之一。同理 ，S4C 嘅新聞就應該受到同等嘅肯定。
S4C is regulated by the S4C Authority, which is appointed by the Secretary of State, which is part of the UK government. But we also have to comply to certain rules and regulations, be that for the nature of the advertisements to make sure that they're decent and suitable and not misleading in any way. But also we have to work within the Ofcom code. Ofcom is the Office of Communications, so our programmes again must not be misleading, must be politically unbiased. At the same time, we're obliged as a public service broadcaster to broadcast certain programmes. So there are, for example, quotas about news, current affairs, arts programmes and the like. And we have to report back to the Office of Communications, Ofcom, every month to tell them how we're doing on these quotas.
香港安穩資源當此戰呢是落彩 S4C 策略性嘅合作夥伴，也是 BBC Wales 新聞部嘅鏡頭黨。
As you can see behind me here, this is BBC Wales' main newsroom here in Cardiff. It's the biggest newsroom outside of London by any broadcast organisation in the UK.
BBC Wales 嘅新聞室總共有260間公眾一日，係全日嘅電視台新聞室。對了解公眾一日當中包含嘅記者還有編輯，其中有80間人來負責係文藝新聞新聞嘅呈現。為咗中日英美 S4C 新聞內容，並未將 BBC 嘅新聞用文藝事業我講這邊。我前見到眼來呈現所講嘅文藝視觀點。
Some journalists work just in Welsh, some journalists work just in English, some work bilingually. What we decide is what to do when appropriate, and we share content when appropriate. But what's crucial to appreciate is that the Welsh language news service is a translation of the English language news service here in Wales.
Really set up as a news production gallery, really.
兩個做法對武興當中也間接提出呢 S4C 作為一家族群電視台，對文藝事業這種意念所做的產生呢媒體影響力。
Many people get their information about the world, the news. Many people watch television for all sorts of different reasons, and the type of language that's used in television has an impact upon the type of language that people use in their everyday lives. And the fact that you have a very powerful medium, such as television, using the Welsh language in different ways, means that people who ordinarily speak Welsh look up to that medium and see models for their own use of the Welsh language on that medium. And some of those models can be very formal, very academic and very sophisticated, and other types of models can be very informal, very colloquial and approximating to slang use of the Welsh language. And of course all of those very different types of Welsh language are extremely important for the long-term development and indeed the survival of the Welsh language.
This one here is showing digital service number 1, and what's above this
S4C 呢一總共有3隻片圖，分別係類別片圖 S4C、數位片圖 S4C Digital， 然後骨灰監控片圖 S4C 2。其中開台時就係 S4C 本天會做全方位嘅綜合性片圖，就到禮拜37點鐘嘅放送時間當中，只有當日黃金時段，也是晏晝6點到10點不同時間，這內容會全部用文藝事業來呈現。根據統計，單場11點鐘嘅時間，當日是下到超過3萬間嘅觀眾。
Mae pobl yn teulu gweithio fi, maen nhw ddim yn disgwyl bennaf I edrych fel fi.
S4C, the Welsh language television channel, has been very, very important for the Welsh language. In the first place, it's created a very different image for the Welsh language in many people's imagination. It's allowed people to see the Welsh language as something very modern, very contemporary, and something which provides people with a very fashionable type of employment. So in those senses, S4C in itself has been a very important and very positive development for the Welsh language.
Bernard Hopkins in Las Vegas, dyma ni di anfon Mari.
Rhydian, ti'n gymaint o fabi.
Joio!
Os ydych chi'n gwylio un.
The qualitative research we do shows that people actually think that S4C is one of the best representatives of Wales as a broadcaster. We represent a contemporary and vibrant Wales, and that's really good news for us, because traditionally perhaps the Welsh language has been seen as old-fashioned, somehow rural, belonging to the agricultural community. But now by people saying that we represent Wales and that we're very good at sports coverage, for example, we're showing a brand new, vibrant Wales, which is very good news for young people particularly who are either speaking Welsh or learning it in school.
The chap with Rhian said he's tried to go from North Wales to South Wales as green away as possible.
Gallwn ni gyd helpu'n amgylchedd drwy wneud pethau bach.
1982年，10年初期所成立的 S4C 电视台，在短短的4分之设计之後，得到很正面嘅評價。當然係對 S4C 台內277個員工嚟講，最大嘅肯定。而繼續大量為嘅生意航向未來 ，S4C 前進嘅腳步唔是停過。開台16年之後，是創業底下最新嘅科技、更新嘅放送內容，創立 S4C Digital， 一隻全為嘅生意嘅平台，俾民眾在透過數位化嘅方式享受和高品質嘅節目內容。同時，到2009年為嘅生意嘅電視放送內容全面嘅數位化之後 ，S4C Digital 是會變作係 S4C 最主要嘅平台。
從2009年到2016年，應該是全面的數位化，所以到時間你哋大約是看唔到咧。
This is our videotape library going back to 1982.
1982. So it's been like 25 years.
That's right, yeah.
數位化尤其係除了講省時間很難有效率之外，當然到時間數位化之後，你哋大約全都會變做係天文嘅檔案，所以省空間也一隻動態嘅優勢。
Mae wedi defnyddio ffactor lle mae yna berthynas gwael.
早來 S4C 對會議室國民議會正式運作嘅去年，啱至增加了南這隻平台 S4C2， 相信媒體更多嘅資源也會議室運作，睇到體驗化。
從1998年開始 ，S4C 有了第一隻平台，叫做 S4C2。到該時節開始，觀眾朋友就透過 S4C2 從電視台會看到 Welsh Assembly 也是會議室議會佢哋設置開會最新嘅狀況。
數位化係 S4C 台內嘅挑戰，技術性嘅媒體只要透過更新設備，開啟相關應用而完成任務並唔難。不過，現在20世紀嘅會議室 S4C 還有兩項挑戰等人記到。第一，是本2年再建，全力本觸權平台後上化。為咗達到兩隻目的，今年底 S4C 將會投入新台幣60億以上嘅經費，去打造這隻全新嘅兒童專屬平台。
Parents do tend to sit their children down in front of the television, and that's why we want a diet of Welsh programmes for children to view. Otherwise, if it's not there, very, very young children will switch to other channels and they'll start watching through the medium of English, and once they do that, then it's very, very difficult to get them back to view the programmes in the Welsh language. That's why the challenge of the children's channel is a major one for S4C, and one we are determined will succeed.
Cyfres fawreddog gyda Iolo Williams, sy'n cyflwyno golwg unigryw ar Gymru, ei chynefin a'i bywyd gwyllt.
克服了所谓法老平头后上法两项挑战 ，S4C 还係冇法度上過難一項，讓用法每限拿法，而且效果係本年小利挑戰全球難法。而家主要係因為因為行為所出現的電視劇上，本白、西、南三面寬可以為你是一片唔敢強負問題嚴重性。 最近對 S4C 所放送的節目，到實體環境當中，都做得當強烈的感受到佢哋所表達的環保訴求。
Mae'n rhyfeddol be allwn ni ail ddefnyddio yn y tŷ ac yn yr ardd. Bydd cyfle I gymunedau drwy Gymru helpu'r amgylchedd.
講到上年研究提供 S4C 唔單將對電視節目當中大力的推行，對辦公室地圖也係強調。從你再看到佢哋辦公室地圖，都唔係當亞美世界填補將會可以辦。根據過去26年成功嘅經驗，國家各種對未來嘅規劃 ，S4C 講記得已經準備好了，為技術大量為你是迎接21世紀新嘅挑戰。
We'll come back and pick them up, yeah? Dwi'n ei darfod chi, mae pobl o dyledu Taiwan eisiau tynnu lluniau yma.
想開啟復興為你是文化和生態嘅資金，當然唔單將這件佔有170幾個人工嘅促進電視台，這是完成的任務。前進為你是提着沒大家去看呢，在1993年成立嘅為你是2年級，而家將為你是嘅選手當作其他職業嘅官方組織，佢哋就拿到為你做得合適嘅做法。
The main objective is to let people whose language of choice is Welsh to live as much as possible of their daily lives through the medium of that language. Simple as that. It's not a battle against English. If it were a battle against English, we would lose, wouldn't we? All of us. Because your tradition. The main objective is to let.
簡單聽條，那些為你是2年級嘅立場，而部分所就想使用為你是的人，對大部分嘅時間、大部分嘅地點都做得長行無阻。 成本為你是你，他都正經的生活法。
Certainly, perhaps the most significant change is the fact that public attitudes towards the Welsh language, in particular the Welsh language in public services, have changed. By now, people expect to be able to get public services in the Welsh language.
Well, if you speak Welsh, then you're able to use it. If you don't speak Welsh, then you're not able to use it. But if you speak Welsh, you may not use it very much.
So what you do is more to urge people to use the language.
Of course, of course. Because you see, we have quite a number of developments in the private sector. You know, you can do a lot of banking through the medium of Welsh, insofar as you do banking through the medium of any language, you know. I mean, I just go and pick the money up like this and put it in. I rarely speak to anyone. But you can do it through the medium of Welsh. And
the older ATM machine?
Yeah.
為到我見證家為你是你使用的研究，為你是你研究現在從最根本、最原始的地方開始做。
We do it through the health service. But we know who they are because the health service targets them. You know, in this country, if you're pregnant, you're expected to you're given a lot of services, of course. Antenatal clinics and stuff like that, and we are part of it. We go to these clinics, we make presentations to the parents and say, you know, have you thought about speaking Welsh to your children? It's not a problem where both parents speak Welsh, generally. It is a problem where one speaks Welsh and one doesn't. If both don't speak Welsh, there's still something we can do. Have you thought about bilingual education or Welsh medium education for your children?
開發審查嘅研究，限做得透過2種方式。
Encouraging children to use more Welsh when it's their choice. And one of the things children like to do is to play games, swimming, football, or so on. And so we are trying to promote more training through the medium of Welsh in those sports.
It's because people want to speak them.
那威尼斯研究也提講，喺對變化當家嘅21世紀當中，半年老師台強下進步，現代化腳步填出重的天下來，呢一點幾條廿日研究具體嘅成果。
Microsoft, that great American company, in conjunction with us, decided that Welsh should be one of the languages that you could use on your computer, not just word processing. I mean that the whole interface is in Welsh. I mean that involved a translation of over 1 million words, can you believe it? Most of the words incomprehensible to me because it was all technical stuff on advice and so on.
Ebsy, Davdi, Dylan Jones, Kevin Davies. Mae'n gofio hwnna i gyd? Oes, tipyn o adolygu i chi dros yr wythnos nesaf.
Fy enw yw Jonesy, dwi'n hogyn drwg.
Allu gofio hwnna.
看睇 S4C 列咗全世界每日嘅威尼斯語電視台老官方組織威尼斯語研究，為咗增加威尼斯語嘅使用，還有威尼斯文化特色嘅能見度所付出嘅大病之後，你探索嘅鏡頭係離開兩條單位所採卡提夫。轉向威尼斯西部嘅台上 Aberystwyth， 在威尼斯語使用 Messi 圖最高係威尼斯台上。距離首府卡迪夫係300公里，時差去到當地差不多4點鐘嘅時間。佢所要探索威尼斯文化語填咗嘅地方。就兩者嘅地位來講，卡迪夫係威尼斯嘅政治和經濟中心，所以大部分嘅公家單位和媒體都係圍在呢位。所以相對來講 ，Aberystwyth 實在講係威尼斯嘅文教中心。打方講，全威尼斯體育間大學 Aberystwyth University 對1870年是對呢位成立。那全威尼斯相關文獻保存得最完整嘅地方，威尼斯國家圖書館 The National Library of Wales 就係位在呢位。所以呢位將會變做1960年代威尼斯語復興傳統嘅發源地，亦都冇半年之外。稍後呢，你同大家強下來認識嘅係威尼斯國家圖書館。威尼斯國家圖書館係英國5間著作權嘅圖書館之一，其他4間包含咧牛津圖書館、劍橋圖書館、太原圖書館，還有係愛丁堡圖書館。所講嘅著作權圖書館係講，所有英國嘅出版品全部為本月份到兩位來收藏，到大家地圖上有貼片嘅地方，睇你呢鏡頭強下來探索。
They cover every aspect of libraries work, and the earliest examples in Welsh on display at the moment are these manuscripts, and they date from the 14th century. Of course, in Europe we haven't come across paper, so it's been written on vellum, which is animal skin.
Well, when the library was founded, when it was founded back in 1911, one of the main objectives of the library was to be founded as a copyright library. So that means basically that the National Library of Wales has a right to a copy of everything that's published in the United Kingdom. That means newspapers, journals, magazines, anything that's published, includes atlases as well. So we have a legal right for a copy, and of course being a copyright library, it means that we have the copy free of charge. We're not charged for it in any way.
除了了解地點，威尼斯國家圖書館館藏嘅數量非常嘅多，亦係英國各間圖書館。因為太原圖書館其實係太原博物館嘅一部分，所以你也到英國威尼斯國家圖書館點都係變做全英國最大圖書館。叫超過500萬嘅藏書，其中有4萬本以上係威尼斯文。圖書館唐名之地當然是表書嘅地方，所以書多並唔係本人之外。不過威尼斯國家圖書館，我單場是有2個地點，梗係冇乜嘅貼片咧。呢位又變做威尼斯文化藏寶館，當然還有當多。
It's a microcosm of all that's best in the Welsh culture And not only a library, but we also have manuscripts, records, drawings, papers, estate papers, anything to do with the Welsh language and the Welsh culture is held at the National Library of Wales, together with the National Film and Screen and Sound Archive as well.
唔單止咁樣，佢就係每年4年考古僭建填作愛到嘅地方。
We have everything for everybody, especially if you come from a Welsh background. We have a lot of people visiting the library to do their family history and also to do the history of their house and where they live. And in addition as well, we have numerous exhibitions at the library on a regular basis, and that attracts a great deal of people who are visiting Aberystwyth and to come especially to see the library and to see the exhibitions being shown.
每年是国家图书馆唔但参与當多嘅倉鼠就係天氣嘅期盼展覽，從呢一看到呢一種發展式強弱。係我呢會展覽嘅法唔但曾半年看，但不有一些排喺上呢2000磅嘅數字，是講有2000磅是將佢大轉去，我呢下當中嘅呢一步，你看一下。當打上見尾大車冇買啦，下年呢漲嚟講。禮拜呢從會議室社會文化體育嘅環境同佢哋政府單位，還有媒體樣板推廣了保存會議室文化，就去看到呢下。希望咁樣嘅節目安排，向小朋友對呢他山之上嘅節目內容有很難全面認識。以上就係呢禮拜節目內容，非常感謝大家嘅收看。下個 Windows 國際合作，下禮拜5晏午6點，你準時再會。